Welcome to OTBI chart element video series. This is video number 6. In this video we will learn how to customize the horizontal axis, also called x-axis, in an OTBI graph. Mostly the independent variable has been plotted on this x-axis. So its main point to consider is the sorting, formatting and axis titles. So sorting refers to the data labels has been sorted properly or not. So in our case, if you can see, this has been sorted alphabetically. So this is the system's inbuilt behavior that it will always sort the value as per alphabetically. But our need is we need to set it as per the period number. So it is not like April, May, June, July, because alphabetically it comes in this way. So in order to make this thing correct, what we need to do is we need to add a period number field onto the x-axis. So to do so, let's go to the edit view. The period number is already in my analysis. If not, then I need to add it from the subject area, and it needs to be added onto the line above the accounting period. So we can see here now the period number is visible over here and the order has been sorted out, but we don't want to display these numbers, so we need to hide it onto the graph. So to do so, go to the criteria and period number settings, column properties, column format, and enable this small checkbox of hide. Okay, so as soon as I click on this, so we can see here now the July, August, September, it's there. So the field is there, but it is not going to be displayed onto the chart. Another important thing is the formatting part. Now this thing is very much highlighted. I want to make it a smaller and less highlighted. So go to the properties, styles and labels, and horizontal axis labels, always show, and format, I will say a lesser color, less impactful, and a small size of 10. Okay, so now it is small in size and also a low impact color to ensure that the title, now accounting period, from this we already know that they belongs to accounting period, and this is a redundant information. If I don't want this period name, go to XYZ, and here the horizontal axis I can uncheck and remove it. So the period name will be removed, or if I want a customized name, go back, write down as period, and any formatting like this also needs to be a lighter color. And smaller size. Okay, so a small size period name is available. So I hope this video helps you customize the horizontal axis on OTBI graph. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on OTBI and data visualization. Contact us at the email address provided in the description of the video for any report development needs. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.